fifth graders. Welcome to our 10th lesson in our Mystery Space Unit extension. Today's lesson is going to be a lot different than others so far because we are actually going to be learning from some local resources right here in Orono. Our first assignment, we watched a pretty incredible read aloud from an actual astronaut, Nick Hague, aboard the International Space Station. I especially love how that book ended, where the rover mentions how we probably won't learn all there is to know, but with our burning curiosity, we have already learned so much. I love that adjective, burning, not only because it accurately describes the passion behind all this, but there is quite literally a lot of burning needed to explore this curiosity. I know how corny that connection was, but the point is, this theme of curiosity that we've mentioned all unit long is shared by the experts that actively orbit the Earth in pursuit of more knowledge. Speaking of experts, I asked you in the last assignment whether you know of any places near us where experts in this field could be. I hope you thought of the biggest college in our state across the bridge, the University of Maine. Well, in this lesson, we will be able to access some of this expertise in our field trip to the Versant Power Astronomy Center. So, what are we actually going to do there? We'll be watching Dawn of the Space Age, which will cover some of the history of space travel we've mentioned in this unit, but go more in depth as well as introduce the first private space flights. Before, we'll be able to get a live sky lecture where we learn more about the constellations in our night sky. We also get a chance to ask our live hosts some questions about the night sky, as well as some questions of just about astronomy in general and the space age, including some ideas we've talked about in our unit so far. Today we'll be generating some questions using our Padlet tool. As you work on these, look at your classmates' questions and give some constructive feedback and see if you can collaborate on creating some thoughtful questions for our hosts at UMaine. The link for this Padlet is attached to this video underneath. Once we generate enough questions, we'll talk about each one as a class and create a list going into our field trip. Good luck with your questions, and we'll see you at the field trip.